In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a downloadable document to your Wix site. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable button that lets your visitors download a file straight from your page, whether it's a PDF, a brochure, a menu, or a simple checklist. Start by opening your site in the Wix Studio Editor. At the top left, look for the plus icon. This is your Add Elements button. Clicking it opens a panel with all the items you can place on your page. We'll use this to bring in a button, which is the simplest and most recognizable way to offer a download. In the Add Elements panel, head to Buttons. Browse the options and pick a style that matches your brand. Don't worry too much about the exact look yet. You can refine it in a moment. Click and drag your chosen button onto the section of your site where you want people to find the download. As you drag, guidelines will help you align it so it looks tidy and professional. Now, click the button to select it and open its settings. This is where you can customize the details that your visitors will see and interact with. Begin by changing the button's text to something clear and action-oriented, like Download PDF or Get the Guide. A specific label sets expectations and makes your site easier to use. Next, adjust the design so it stands out just enough to be noticeable. You can change the color, size, corner radius, and typography to fit your site's theme. Aim for good contrast between the button and the background so it's easy to read and tap on mobile. A medium size often works best, large enough to see, but not so big that it overpowers the page. With the button styled and labeled, it's time to link it to your file. Click the link icon on or near the button settings, the one that looks like a chain. In the link options, choose Document. This tells Wix that clicking the button should open or download a file rather than go to another page. You'll now see your Wix File Manager. Here you can upload a new document from your computer or select an existing file you've already saved. Pick the document you want, confirm your selection, and Wix will attach it to the button. Clear file names and reasonably sized files help your visitors download quickly and know exactly what they're getting. That's it. You've added a downloadable document to your Wix site using a simple, well-labeled button. Your visitors can now click and get the file instantly, right from the page.